Amazon Kitchen Finds. This is a popcorn kettle. It's an easy and convenient way to make popcorn. All you do is add kernels, put the butter on top of the lid, and it will come out tasting just like cinema popcorn. This little machine will make the closest thing to a McDonald's McMuffin. It has separate compartments to cook it all at the same time, and then once it's done, it assembles it into a sandwich. If you hate the green bit on a strawberry, this little device gets rid of it with just a twist, and it leaves the whole of the red bit. This cupcake scooper picks up the perfect amount every time, and then with the push of a button, it dispenses it into the tray so they're always the exact same. This is the Garject. It crushes garlic with the skin on. It also has a built-in scraper and an ejector to clean out the inside. These are silicone oven tray guards. They go on the trays in your oven to prevent you from burning yourself when you're taking stuff in or out of the oven. This is a 5-in-1 pizza tool. It cuts it with the roller or the knifed edge, and also works as a scooper with a clamp so you can pick it up. This gadget gets all the corn off the cob in just seconds, and it's mess-free as it catches it in the box behind, and it's also safe for kids to use. And this electric juice squeezer is the best way to make any fresh juice. It's super powerful and super quick, so you're never left thirsty.